This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. First floor condo living overlooking the Elizabeth River and your boat slip. You can view your boat/slip from your patio. 2-bed/2 BTH with spare room off kitchen featuring built-ins and sliding glass door that open to a very large, covered patio. Large eat-in kitchen provides storage and a pass-through to the dining area. Large great room boasts a wood-burning fireplace and second sliding glass door that also leads to the patio. Spacious PBR overlooks the water and consists of spacious closet and private bath with dual sinks. For more information, review the details below.